Honorable Ministers of His Majesty's Cabinet, Members of the Council of State, Honorable Leader of the Opposition in Parliament, their Lordships, Judges of the High Court, their Excellencies, Head of Diplomatic Missions and International Organizations, Honorable Attorney General, Her Worship, the Mayoress of Maseru, Honorable Vice President of the Senate, Honorable Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Members of the Senate and Principal Chiefs, Honorable Members of the National Assembly, Government Secretary, Senior Government Officials, Church Leaders, Heads of Ministries, Department Parastatals, and Public Institutions.
Lehakoe University Council, Lehakoe Senate, the University Senior Management, Lehakoe University Senior Vice President, Dato Sri Team Lehakoe Chief Executive, Advocate for Machete, Vice Chancellor Lehakoe University Lesotho, Mrs. Matebo Moros, the Registrar Lehakoe University Lesotho, Lehakoe Lesotho Management, Industry Advisory Panel members, respectable Lehakoe industry partners, esteemed media houses, Lehakoe University staff, graduating class of 2023, parents and guardians, ladies and gentlemen.
Your Majesty, the Deputy Prime Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good day to you, and I proudly say in Sesotho, Madume Chabasamshwesh. On behalf of the Lehakoe University, the University Council, Senate, and the faculty, we wish you a very warm welcome and thank you for joining us today in celebrating the success of the 2023 graduating class. I am Mosheshe Nchapi, the Student Services Department Executive. Ke mokwena wa mpitiaska ke thamai e mathuba e di mapa morago si tantanyane ya maina mokoti. Motho wa mpitu a seka ke kolwane la sija mokwe maina mokoti di motho wa ntja di ja mahlatsa ga moruti di re ntitsela ka ntle.
And I am Itumele Mokhatshane, a lecturer in the Faculty of Information and Communications Technology. Ke le tebele, ke le tsitsi la ha Dlamini Ndlovu, la Sihlekane Sisena Balosi, le hana tshea le dumela mokoko, ke tjama ke setjatu re bana ba mokolo. With us, our support MCs, Mr. Dumisani Dlamini, a principal lecturer in the Faculty of Communications, Media and Broadcasting, and Ms. Matsidiso Mohale, a lecturer in the Faculty of Communications, Media and Broadcasting. The four of us will be guiding you through the ceremony.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our students have spent between 1, 3, and 4 years of study on campus, which has served as their second home. The faculty has prepared the following short video that captures that exhilarating journey.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may we invite Ms. Mpine Tente, a member of the Lehakoe University Council, Lesotho, to give an address. Ms. Tente, please.
Dumelang setjhaba sa Moshweshwe. Ke sa tlosa letswalo. Program directors, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our distinguished guests to the 13th graduation of the Lehakoe University Creative University, Lesotho campus. At this stage, may I humbly ask to say protocol observed. Your Majesty, please. I'm honored to stand before you on behalf of the University Council to celebrate this special day with graduates and their families. This occasion is indeed a true mark of success and growth for every one of you who are graduating today. Today is also special. Your graduation ceremony is also special in the sense that it takes place when the university is celebrating 15 years. I hope there will be another 15 years of celebrations after this. First and foremost, congratulations to you, our new graduates, on your remarkable achievement. To be awarded a degree, a diploma, a certificate entails a dedicated endeavor on your part. And by you being here today, it's a full testimony that you were dedicated in your studies. You have displayed necessary commitment to learn, acquire and embrace knowledge and expertise. I hope you do acknowledge, as the previous speakers have said this morning, contributions of your lecturers and tutors and every staff member of the university. All of them have contributed to you a great, special, professional environment. An environment that was conducive for you to have been able to study. Included in the list of people you should applaud. This is worth repeating. It has been said by all the speakers who came here before me. Your parents, your guardians, your families, and your sponsors. You have had the honor of studying at this university, which is very special. A university that boasts of an enviable academic reputation nationally, regionally, and of course, internationally. We are confident that you are ready for the challenges ahead and that you will meet the challenges and also contribute to your communities, including your own country. We are indeed very proud of you. It is gratifying to note that the university continues to pursue the vision and mission of the founder of this institution. We wish them nothing but success in the years ahead. To the university staff, academic, non-academic, and management, you have indeed played a positive role and have made an unmeasurable impact in the lives of class of 2023 and to those who came before them. Ladies and gentlemen, the university also lays great emphasis on fostering innovation and continues to introduce a mix of academic programs spread over various faculties in order to equip the students with skills that are capable of addressing this century's global challenges. The university continues to excel in more ways than one, and today's function is an indicator of that. We are indeed providing academically stimulating, culturally diverse, and quality learning environment that fosters innovation and technological developments. The University Council is indeed proud of the graduating class of 2023. We are confident that you are all ready to make a meaningful contribution to the development of Lesotho. Once more, congratulations, class of 2023. God bless.
Thank you, Medente.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed with the presentation of scrolls for associate degrees in film production, journalism and media, public relations, hotel management, international tourism, and tourism management, and also diplomas in broadcasting, radio and television, film production, journalism and media, public relations, hotel management, and tourism management. It is our honor to invite once again the Minister of Education and Training, Professor Ntoi Rapapa, accompanied by the Vice Chancellor, Advocate Formachedi, to present the scrolls. Ladies and gentlemen, here to read the names is Mr. Mongadi Mofana, a lecturer in the Faculty of Communications, Media and Broadcasting.
The recipients for diploma in broadcasting, radio and television are Rethabile Edward Leburu, Keketso David Ramocheli, Tato Letlaka, Nkotli Neo, Thapelo Dipalesa, Kotelo Kekeletso Andreas, Tsatsi Mosedi, Ntabiseng Kabudinyani, Tolegile Mokoma, Mapolo Ratsuba. Mamadula Thoko Letlatsa. Bokan Joyce Mushweshwe. Dintle Tommy. Mapuka Raleting. Katleho Matamani. Mathieu Mparinyani. Mamokete Ramonafu. Teboho Bereng. Matori Ramonotsi. Nonjoni Machaba. Mapute Mantako. Nosipo Mvugazan. Lerato Josephina Nkobo. Sepan Kwetlisi. Fedile Masita. Dichanelo Ratulo. Relebwile Ntime. Mamukoni Machabe. Poncho Molapo. Dimpo Rantletsi. Totlisam Poku. Zanele Mutsetani. Mokete Kaisa. Ntsirisen Ramatella. Relebwile Malefani. Kananelo Kadikadi. Koja Mabina. Diketso Mokotu. Kananelo Maepe. Motepane Tlaele. Bohloka Makatise. Rorisa Mabeta. Tise Tsotladi. Ntoile Ramuslibana. Itumele Ntsita. Mapasaka Maribe. Kolotino Sipo. Mpoi Masiu. Keleto Muteki. Lebohang Ramutube. Mutsaole Tito. Mweke Tilo. Silimela Moses. Khauta Muleleki. Rapoka Kolo. Boka Munyani. Last but not least, Tsidiso Lehana. The recipients for diploma in film production are Hlonofalang Sepapo, Dibuseng Kopano, Mabato Pai Pai, Mamosa Lukoba, Letie Lebamang, Keketso Noko, Mapaseka Sello, Matsidiso Lehloenya, Temba Chabalala, Mtsunyani Katleo, Mohau Ranku, Dikopo Ranchade, Mpoentle Masubeng, Mtsidiseng Motsamai, Tato Nei, Lomile Matama, Muleboheng Mujalefa, Tulwana Mungangan, Mamudise Mutai, Malehae Ntswakele, Malihlaka Ntshe, Maleshwane Mokhantsho, Karabo Marimabi, Sepiso Makumete, Tato Kubedi, Khobule Ntsitselane, Mutsiba Khetisa, Tebalo Sichili, Pitso Ramaisa, last but not least, Sechaba Museunyane. The recipients for associate degree in TV and film production are Motena Makhachi, Katleho Ramueleti, last but not least, Mama Tobacco Meke. The recipients for associate degree in journalism and media are Malifu Ramukwena, Ntisana Amelia Ramarotole, Mamahle Dikotsi, Mpole Koloti, Makwena Tsukedi, Muso Nkhasi, Mapaseka Sefate, Tholwana Mohlomi. Last but not least, Muelo Agnes Maketsi. The recipients for diploma in journalism and media are Tato Alice Samuel, Ntabise Mohojo, Ntabise Mpate, Sipati Tabo, Manchali Ruma, Mutlakamang Mushokwan, Muipone Letsosa, Maleshwane Mohapi, Sepiso Serabele, Teboho Muletsane, Kananelo Nduduzela, Mpulai Neri Morie, Ritumetse Tsua, Mponuku, Khasliso Ramutwai, Dineo Mputana, Dipolelo Mohlomi, Palesa Rakgomo, Dijeng Murutani, Khosi Pheku, Kamohelo Ntulane, Kamohelo Mabatwana, Refilwe Mohloki, Nteboheleng Lekgotsa, Mohau Sekwati, Mamukene Majara, Kekeletso Molefe, Diteboho Joyce Letlatsa, last but not least, Rorisang Makwai. The recipients for diploma in public relations are Khotsofalang Ezekiel Kopung, Mpati Kopano, Sebulelo Mutshwana, Dintle Khasipe, Mabere Matli, Tato Rantle, Sebabatso Mokhele, Tidello Mohali, Sebabatso Petehang, Mpho Tshilo, Refilo Joyce Murupi, Totlisang Matsimela, Sipiwe Tshwaedi, Remaketsi Mankhebe, Ntatu a Tshwana. Mpane Thwahlane. Mahlonolo Monaheng. Asiphen Dlomos. Manapo Gruban. Malifu Khojane. Re itumetse ga lethoko. Itumeleng Natlani. Boitumelo Tsotako. Mpho Hope. Thabo Felete. Molefi Malebu. Thapelo Amako. Mahau Pahamani. Kapue Madibeng. Mohai Molefi. Musaburi Mukwena. Lerato Thuso. Jwalane Ramokwena. Ditebo Hlalele. Re itumetse Ramoepane. Masetjhaba Malabu. Kananelo Tlapane. Last but not least, Mamunyai Lebuela. The recipients for associate degree in public relations are Masekhele Sejake, Joyce Retabile Mokhele, Kananelo Malea. Last but not least, Karabo Maraka. The recipients for associate degree in hotel management are Lebohang Lebeta, Mahlapi Makhetha, Munteng Mofulo, Makhiba Mohloki, Bulawana Madito, Diana Mulaudi, Kopano Eric Matia. Last but not least, Puleng Masibihlele. The recipients for diploma in hotel management are Palesa Nate, Mutsidisi Peku, Mapaseka Mohau, Poncho Ramutam, Mamwe Keti Simanu, Kgatliso Matela, Matshidiso Ntilane, Tlotlisang Belebesi, Motibang Lewake, Lukisi Leboya, Motau Mashapa, Retshepile Tsamela, Tlaleng Matswetlane, Hlalefo Moremoholo, Dintle Hopo, Kananelo Sipono, Mamokwati Motsepa, Mabasia Moloisane, Dintle Mara, Kunuswang Mohali, Kananelo Cynthia Libita, Dikelako Ranto, Mafiriti Ratulo, Dimport Lementina Kwetlisi, Puleng Mahata. Last but not least, Puleng Masibihleli. The recipients for associate degree in international tourism are Mohale Wala, Tsepan Damani, Mapaseka Sophonia, Ntswaki Tobogela, Matsiriso Dipafa, Kataho Tori, Nkadimeng Rabazi, Kataho Mukoni, Mantwa Pamut, Kamuelo Samuel Tejani, Letsatsi Florence Roto, Teboho Thusu, Mamoya Matibela, Lesitsi Mohono, Maputi Lekgotla, Mahoseng Thongolokwane, Puka Puka Mapaseka, Projeng Sebongile Melida, Itumeleng Sikone. Last but not least, Marai Ditshwanelo Aleta. The recipients for diploma in tourism management are Muiponi Amelia Muriana, Sekhantha Moleboheng, Mantwa Poro, Mantamane Patswani, Rabel Simufamere, Dimpho Mochipi, Kefue Fusi, Malenka Ramukocho, Ritumetse Lehakoe, Siriari Mpho, Maleshwa Jani, Mafusi Ndombela, Mamukiti Likenyani, Mutsirisi Sibochwa, Mpesi Lewili, Dintle Lesaha, Mapakisa Sylvia, Yutumelen Tsutsubi, Ntabele Murupe, Mamohale Sillo, Tumisa Malibele, Sitabele Oliphant, Ditapelo Ramabele, Katleho Libeta, Dinao Makwala, Maleloko Ramutanyana, Mapito Moshouwa, Ramasa Malefa, Kusele Tsotaisi, Mpobola, Mama Toto Makeka, Marabe Tsinaha, Esebia Tsabeha, Mulebuhe Moya, Rilebuhile Linka, Ntabisen Ranyato, Mamello Sukonyela, Poko Masupa, Mpapane Ramapepe, Mpho Mutai, Retsirisitswe Moshouwa, Dikeledi Sekike, re itumetse Sakwane, Majaka Mukitini, Paseka Mphohle, Magineuwe Tshotetse. Last but not least, Pono Kheta. The recipients for associate degree in tourism management are Tsepo Abraham Machabe, Ntai Lukwineha, Dibuseng Mutsiba, Lebohang Pahama, Malehola Lepekola, Mamofana Paulina Mofana. Nina Malutunya Angela. Ntabiseng Chacha. Makwena Mabaleha. Nondumo Shweni. Monteng Sekanti. Matabang Remoholo. Matsiriso Mataba. Mkhatlitsen Sepeta. Masata Selebalo. Last but not least, Witumelo Roman.
Thank you, Professor Rapapa and Advocate Machedi. Congratulations to all graduates. Please give them a round of applause. Good.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to call upon stage the Lehakoe Choir for a rendition of Glory. The song touches on the idea that through hard work and determination, one can overcome adversity and achieve greatness. Overall, Glory encapsulates the essence of graduation, marking the end of one journey and the beginning of another, filled with promise and opportunity. Let's please put our hands together for the Lehakoe Choir.
When the it'll be when the we will be sure we will be
choir for a glorious rendition. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed with the presentation of the scrolls for associate degrees in fashion and apparel design, graphic design, business information technology and multimedia and software engineering, as well as diplomas in fashion and apparel design, graphic design, business information technology, and multimedia and software engineering, as well as certificates in graphic design, business information technology, innovative travel and tourism, marketing, and architecture technology. To read the names is Ms. Pielo Mochaba, the faculty manager from the Faculty of Creativity and Tourism and Hospitality. May we please once again invite the Minister of Education and Training, Professor Ntoyi Rapapa, accompanied by the Vice Chancellor, Advocate Tefo Machedi, to present the scrolls.
Sisters, what is that?
The recipients for Diploma in Fashion and Apparel Design are Makompo Tabela, Moratua Diboti, Tonso Radit, Ras Masehanyane Matol, Refile Beatrice Majoro, Retabule Sylvia Put, Dimakato Agnes Muilwa, Malishwani Mota. Masilwane Kwena, Tlhokomelo Masopa, Mohau Tsenudi, Dintle Mulokodi, Nyakalo Mutsamai, Heshepe Masitai, Musa Rantiti, Mapoto Sefisi, Muleleki Kupo. Last but not least, Ramotsewa Lebohang.
Okay, let's go. It's different.
Recipients for associate degree in fashion and apparel design are Mamosa Mona, Diekezo Monakan, Rapelang May, Mabela Litsie, Itumeleng Chope, Leshabisa Pushudi, Madibuseng Kopung, Mahase Tepo Bernard, Mohowane Lingwe, Mulelekeng Munyeke, Muleleki Matsiu, Tsiu Ritumetse, Neheng Kuatsan, Mapunyetsane Maswai, Mosebi Dumisang, Madijeng Ramohwa, Madisebo Maputle, Puleng Priscilla Letasa, Matsoso Temuho,
How's I said?
Mahadi Feli Mushakwana, Motipani Makwai, Mukudubete Makanya, Mualusana Dineo, Mapule Lisedi, Mabasia Letete, Mulete Mankwebe, Ritlafua Musehle, Ntswaki Thato, Rapelang Mofokeng, Alice Makaka, Nteboheleng Dineo, Tepiso Letaba, Diako Lirotodi, Nonda Dokia Kem Mishak, Relebuhile Nyapisi, Pilaelo Matule, Tato Morolong, Takani Zimani, last but not least, Ramotewa Lebuha.
The recipients for diploma in graphic design are Lehakoe Kadi, Molefinyane Senue, Buitumelo Mabona, Chaka Mufundis, Seiso Simon Malebanye, Tsulo Makakane, Temba Kau, Hlehlisi Lehlohonolo, Mama Mopedi, Rethabile Lehlaha, Letlotlo Gadibaga, Chakela LUCT, Mapia Dipuo, Raleboa Moagi, Tumo Toslang, Agostina Porta, Tabisang Kamahlele, Matwa Mahato, Makwae Masalebe, Molete Ntamani, Thabo Malefane, Tebuo Sutsanyana, Nkupane Khobotle, Karabo Chomani, Tshepo Sebapala, Monyane Mohapi, Malinki Tladi, Tebuo Ntsoti, re lebohile Lekhafola, Morapedi Kebisi, Tlhokomelo Letsapo, Mokobori re a leboha, Tebalo Shabe, Bongani Maduna, Tabanyane Tato, Itumeleng Tseute, last but not least, Mama Tuana Mpete. The recipients for diploma in creative advertising are Mabote Amelia, Ritumetse Ntwani, Thabo Makalepo, Nkalusi Ritumetse, Madikgetho Lenepa, Dineo Mulifi, Dombekaya Patela, Kefue Rameleke, Tabang Musiwa, Shali Malefu, Mpeu Dipolo, Kelebuhile Griffiths, Ntsingi Mamatla, Mudiei Mapesela, Nako Rantwezi, Kamohelo Musa, Tabelo Tsikinyane, Majoro Sebotwane, Karabo Lebona, Tapelo Maswabi, Moabi Roto, Mashiani Ntlama. Last but not least, Mapuleng Mohlobo. The recipients for Associate Degree in Business Information Technology are Dieketseng Moeketsi, Mpulukeng Morake, Mamohale Mukwena, Moho Patosi, Nako Masim, Mukiti Mohapi, Kosi Jonasi, Lebohang Sifodi, Mapaseka Moabi, Falata Reneuwe, Ntabiseng Lekhotsa, Mabue Matsuso, last but not least, Bongiwe Mfundis. The recipients for Diploma in Business Information Technology are Mahlatswane Mafupara, Papadi Machachamise, Sitati Mudise, Papadi Mafuya, Takatso Munzu, Tandeka Manesa, Motebang Kadi, Lerato Letata, Atang Tobakai, Ditakong Mahupelo, Mpo Nkupa, Tembile Mbele, Bereng Ramokwatsi, Tumelo Motlhokakala, Gauhelo Ranto. Last but not least, Palesa Rotedi. The recipients for associate degree in information technology are Musupi Mokosholo, Dipoko Keneilwe, Toslang Khetsidisitswe, Tsenki Dineo, Chole Lee, Makarabo Musi, Tabo Mudise, Teboho Diau, Holda Siganga, Tabaneng Tugelo, Mamelo None, Repulusitwe Mpesi, Foloko Toslang, Jonathan Mota, Matekiso Sibane, Sello Tabala, Mamutwani Mahata, Takanyani Butsani. Last but not least, Nyatso Khomu. The recipients for Diploma in Information Technology are Makadika Tato, Diana Sillo, Tankiso Ntoko, Dimpo Hosana, Matsumo Sikonyela, Relebuhile Murobi, Motese Ntaha, Makintani Lemuha, Nchana Mahlohonolo, Rapelang Mabutile, Sidimu Taban, Pito Masawana, Tebello Kalake, Recepile Shao. Last but not least, Tukulo Musula, the recipients for associate degree in multimedia software engineering are Matana Sihluhu, Tabang Lefata, Lendo Koshe Mufamere, Motalepula Tote, Lindane Zuma, Kutwane Lefuma, Lereku Matias, Lebuhang Ntekwa, Tuka Nkhahle, Silijeng Lepetesan, Khotsofalang Mokgwabane, Mokgele Kabelo, Moleboheng Mokgele, Mama Tuang Nkoko, Motsamai Tumelo, Katleho Manele, Mpho Siribe, Ntatisi Kotsi, Phakwe Ntsime, re lebohile Motsheua. Last but not least, Mapoulo Muitshiga, the recipients for Diploma in Multimedia and Software Engineering are Tlhokomelo Tapana, Malehlohonono Ntlele, Thuso Tshetlana, Mako Felix Mako, Mboyazela Tshwana, Thabang Stephen Kabi, Rethabile Mutleleng, Leto Silas Mosulo, Mantu Donald Linyeta. Last but not least, Matubako Rethabile. The recipients for certificate in graphic design are Makamani Sikekani, Makhotso Mohali, Malefu Munsi, Sitedi Lisetedi, Malejwabe Matlala Mutlalani, Keleboni Ntlani, Phamutse Mabue. Last but not least, Tumelo Kibi,
Wait.
sorry,
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Ah, okay. Mental program Malewan. I was here and not really already 30 months ago.
The recipients for certificate in business information technology is Tsepang Mokonyana, The recipients for certificate in innovative travel and tourism are Matsidiso Telingwan, Matshwanelo Kgothatso, Musa Sirutla, Tshireletso Kutumela, Ntatua Molefi, Musa Tlebere, Dieketso Machedi, Pontsho Leswetsa, Dimpho Kopo. Last but not least, Teboho Manyanyan. The recipients for certificate in architecture technology are Mapitsi Matthias. Last but not least, Ramurumo Neo. The recipients for certificate in marketing are Kolisiwe Hato, Malitlwa Makakane. Last but not least, Sibuile Kobela.
Congratulations, all graduates. Please give them a round of applause. Thank you, Minister and Vice Chancellor.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, the Lehakoe Choir would like to present a special message dedicated to the class of 2023. Please welcome Ms. Dikenke Matong and the choir in a rendition of Simply the Best.
Class of 2023, where are you?
Thank you, choir, and we agree you are all simply the best class of 2023. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yeah. May I kindly invite all the award winners to go backstage? All the award winners, backstage.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we now like to invite two of our graduating students who will share their experiences at the university. Please put your hands together for Ms. Khahliso Motolo and Mr. Ramonahe Mujakisani.
Hello, class of 2023. Hello, Utswila, Mr. West. Yay! Oh, program directors, allow me to observe protocol. I stand before you today as a proud graduate from the Faculty of Communications, Media, and Broadcasting. Woo! I must say that it is truly an honor to represent this exceptional group of students who have worked diligently, overcome challenges, and persevered to reach this significant milestone. Guys, give yourselves a round of applause. Great. I am Khahliso Motolo, and I studied Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting and Journalism. I remember registering for this course particularly because I wanted to become a TV presenter, which was the case for majority of us in my class, and everything else was collateral. Very unfortunately, our first lesson was on citations and referencing the first day. I remember wondering to ourselves how all that was going to help me in becoming a TV and radio presenter. However, what a narrow perspective did I have on the day. Today, we can attest to the wealth of opportunities we are presented with inside and outside our lecture rooms. Fellow graduates, isn't it amazing that today you know which color paints to mix to defy the concept of primary colors? I mean the color wheel. Hello. The art lecturers, the design lecturers, thank you. On a rather personal level, I have the honor to acknowledge that you and I have acquired quite an impeccable chunk of diverse experiences, including, but not limited to, the following: communication skills, presentation and public speaking skills. My colleagues and I have opportuned to represent the school at the Model United Nations debate in 2019. A further adventure was that of participating in the public speaking and presentation debates domestically, once as a debater, in the second instance as an adjudicator, and yet further as chairperson. Last but not least, 3 months ago, I was involved as a moderator at a youth dialogue to celebrate World Population Day, hosted by the United Nations in collaboration with our one and only esteemed Lehakoe University. Fellow graduates, I have listed the above achievements not in any way to blow my own horn, but I want you to relate in your own experiences how being in this institution has helped you in this journey. Compatriots, it is indisputable that we are one of the most resilient classes. We fought battles both known and unknown. As if it wasn't enough, we had to go through the excruciating anxiety of awaiting results. Hey, listen! And we had to go through COVID-19 and lockdown, as well as the new norms that came with it. But look at us, we pressed on, didn't we? Hello! Oh, thank you so much. And we wouldn't have achieved this if it wasn't for our support system. So all in all, I wish we express our profound appreciation to everyone who has contributed to the success of this journey. To our parents and guardians, thank you so much. Your unwavering support and guidance, your love, encouragement, and sacrifices have played an integral part in our accomplishments. To the friends we made, we will forever cherish the memories in our hearts. We also salute the government of Lesotho for the scholarships through the National Manpower Development Secretariat. I know we enjoyed the allowances. And to our lecturers and the management, you made our time here worthwhile. Each one of you harbors special treasure which catapulted us to our success. But our utmost respect and gratitude go to the late founding president, Professor Emeritus Tan Sri Datosri Paduka Dr. Lehakoe, for his excellent contribution to our education. Congratulations, class of 2023! May the Lord Almighty bless you!
Agua again, la mona lolo.
Thank you.
Say mungi. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and of course, my extraordinary fellow graduates. Today, I stand before you not just as Ramonehe Mojaki-san, but as a living testament to the profound metamorphosis ignited by Lehakoe University.
They don't know.
Thank you. Embarking on this journey with resolute spirit and a passion for learning, I immersed myself in the world of Bachelors of Science in Software Engineering with Multimedia. Professor Emeritus Tan Sri Datosri Paduka Dr. Lehakoe's resounding words reverberate in this moment, and I quote, he once said, "What you do today will determine where you will be tomorrow." From the inaugural stride into this hallowed house, I was engulfed in an atmosphere charged with unbridled creativity, seismic innovation, and an audacious spirit of exploration. Ladies and gentlemen, here I didn't find an institution. I unearthed a cathedral of dreams. Where potential isn't just nurtured, but it's set ablaze. Choosing Lehakoe wasn't a mere decision for us. It was a sacred pledge, an unwavering commitment to embark on a voyage of unyielding growth and limitless imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to go a little bit personal on this one. My trajectory took an extraordinary turn when I was entrusted to represent our esteemed institution at the global stage of the University Innovation Pod earlier this year. This wasn't just an honor, it was an epochal opportunity to showcase the unparalleled innovation that defines Lehakoe. In the crucible of information and communication technology, Lehakoe wasn't a mere university. It was a forge where we were honed into master craftsmen of the digital age. We were bequeathed the tools, but it was up to us to forge our own destinies. Through crafting software, sculpting solutions, narrating epics, and of course, architecting experiences. Today marks a culmination of relentless pursuit and unwavering support of our parents. With their boundless love and sacrifices, they have provided us with the strength to surmount any obstacle. The government's strategic investments in education have been a cornerstone, propelling us towards this pinnacle of achievement. Yet, in this pivotal moment, we must not forget the luminary whose legacy permeates every corner of this institution, the late founder, President, Professor Emeritus Tan Sri Paduka, Dr. Lehakoe. His audacious vision, unwavering commitment to education, and global foresight have etched an indelible mark on our lives and the honors of this university. We stand here today, the living embodiment of his dream, vowing to honor his legacy with unwavering pride. Our revered lecturers, mentors, academic faculty have been the guiding constellation. Their dedication to our success has been nothing short of awe-inspiring. The visionary management of Lehakoe University have forged an environment conducive to learning, a crucible for personal growth, and a cauldron of innovation. Now, class of 2023, are you listening? Nah, it doesn't sound like it. Let me go again. Class of 2023. That's more like it. Let's ignite the change we wish to see in the world, and allow me to say, congratulations.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
A big thanks to Ms. Motolo and Mr. Mojaki-san. Indeed, you were well represented.
Yeah. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as the Founders' Day is on the 22nd of October, annually, may I invite all to observe a moment of silence in remembrance of our late founder president, Tan Sri Dato Sri Paduka, Dr. Lehakoe. May his soul rest in peace. 2019 was the last graduation attended by the late founder president, and this video is a compilation of graduations that happened that year. With technology, you will be able now to hear him addressing the graduates. Here is the clip.
The driving force of change and innovation is knowledge and education. Without education, there is no innovation. Without education, there is no transformation. Here on this campus, you have created a place where international peace, mutual respect, and goodwill are demonstrated readily. Here we celebrate our differences. Here we design a more cohesive, more equal, and more peaceful future. Here, this university is driven by creativity, the way we think, in the way we do things. So we wanted to be a driving force of change and talent development in education, wherever we are. Here, breaking the norm and setting new standards are part and parcel of the ecosystem. We encourage people to think out of the box. Design the future that will make your country a more progressive nation and the world a more peaceful place. And be the best in whatever you do. In your time with us, you have won many awards and broken many records. You have contributed much to charity and the enrichment of humanity. You have given us much to be proud of. Today, you join the illustrious community of Lehakoe alumni who are creating their own success stories right across the world. Stay focused and you will achieve success beyond your own imagination. And you have no idea how proud we are of you and what you have achieved. You will remember the people who have lifted you up along the way, those who have walked alongside you whenever you needed someone by your side. These are your classmates and close friends, your brothers and sisters, your tutors and lecturers. Upon your irreplaceable parents, you must never stop showering love and affection. And listen to this. And as they get older, you must never run out of patience with them. May this journey you have started with us take you to the most wonderful places in the world. May the footprints you will be creating turn into groundbreaking milestones that will help shape the future of this world. I pray you remember this. No matter how far away you may be from us, we will be right here cheering and applauding your every achievement. You will always be part of us. This will always be your home. On that note, and on behalf of all of us, I bid you a fond farewell. You go knowing you have only our best wishes. As they say, now is all yours.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue to remember our late founder president, Tan Sri Dato Sri Paduka Dr. Lehakoe, the graduates have dedicated a thank you poster in his memory, as you will see it flash on the screen.
Your Majesty, ladies and gentlemen, we wish to invite Advocate Tifo Machedi, the Vice Chancellor of the Lehakoe University, Lesotho. Tate Machedi, please.
His Majesty King Letsie III and Her Majesty the Queen, the Right Honorable the Prime Minister, the Honorable President of Senate, the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, His Lordship the Chief Justice, His Majesty's government, in particular, Honorable Minister of Education and Training, Professor Ntoi Rapapa. Please, program directors, allow me to then say all protocol observed. Your Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a humbling privilege to address this 13th convocation ceremony wherein 1,182 well-deserved academic certificates, diplomas, and degrees shall be conferred to the graduating class of 2023. The theme for this year's graduation is 15 years of driving innovation, creativity, entrepreneurship, and transformation. Indeed, the past 15 years have seen unprecedented transformation of the higher education landscape in Lesotho when Lehakoe first opened its doors right here in Maseru. Lehakoe is the first university to come up alive in Lesotho with its unique, unconventional, innovative, creative, tech-savvy, transformational, skills and entrepreneurship-based programs and education ecosystem, thereby opening up tertiary access to tertiary education in the country. Lehakoe has and is affording many young Basotho unthinkable opportunity to study in fields that were otherwise foreign in Lesotho's higher education system and the country at large, but that are crucial for the success of any economy in the 21st century setting. The endeavor by Lehakoe and the government of the Kingdom of Lesotho to bring this unique university to set up in Lesotho has strategically and gradually developed Lesotho's human capital and places Lesotho at a vantage point to also meaningfully participate in the 21st century economic and developmental trends that are now largely founded around harnessing innovation and creativity, technology, skills, and entrepreneurship, amongst others, as leading pillars and drivers of any successful modern-day economy. Lehakoe's 15 years journey has been characterized by strategic, consistent, structured, and targeted growth over the years in that, and to mention but the very few. When we started in 2008, we only started with about 1,200 students. But 15 years later, we have a student complement of 4,000 students at one time. We started with 56 staff members, and we currently have 222 staff members. We started with 12 programs across 4 faculties, and we now command 37 programs in our 6 faculties. We have, on the advent of our 13th convocation, that is inclusive of yourselves, graduating class of 2023, graduated over 12,000 unconventional, industry-ready and relevant graduates. I am glad to inform that as part of our 15-year journey and unrelenting efforts by the university to position itself in its rightful space in the applied research sphere, to which Lehakoe, as an unconventional university, subscribes to. We have, through our continuous professional and staff development alone, developed in these 15 years over 10 master's degree holders and 6 PhD holders within our staff to lead the applied research output. All these continuing efforts and many others are aimed consistently and carefully at activating the university's applied research and scholarly activity, but also to ensure and invest in the continuous professional development of our staff such that we contribute to the attrition and retention of high caliber staff. On behalf of the university, I want to assure you, Your Majesty, that this university is here to stay. And to that end, a very exciting infrastructure development of our Innovation City campus is currently underway in the preliminary stages that will see it come to life right here in Lesotho at Hamapetla, Masianuke. Class of 2023, you are very special. You are unconventional, innovative, creative, and entrepreneurial. You have been equipped with various skills and knowledge base that is expertly tailored to pit you against the rest and allow you to spread your wings as much as you want in the 21st century economy and industry. Let me, however, hasten to warn you against the wrong and misplaced and rampant culture of sense of entitlement and complacency. Program directors, these two attributes, as seen in some of what we call the Generation Z or the millennials, who tend to interpret their due entitlement and rights to the extremes in a manner of feeling entitled or feeling that they can just lay around and everything will do itself or bring itself to themselves, has over the years proven to be a very destructive anatomy in the current generation of professionals. Class of 2023, go out there, hunt, and get what is rightfully yours, because nothing genuine will bring itself to you while you are lying down. It will be amiss of me, program directors, Your Majesty, Honorable Minister of Education and Training, if I do not, at the risk of dampening this joyous occasion, state that for us to sell to the graduates and other students the outdated narrative of 20 and 30 years ago that they should expect employment when they complete their studies is not only mischievous but scandalous. Your Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Lehakoe has always advocated, and for years now, that it is time for an overhaul of our education system at all levels, it be basic, secondary, and higher, so that it is recalibrated in the right and relevant developmental direction. It is long overdue, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that we have not practically and stably adopted an education system that orientates our children, and as young as they may be amongst others, towards entrepreneurship over employment, towards preparing them for modern day use of technology and technological advances as interventions in the current lives and lifestyles. This is education transformation for all that Lehakoe stands and advocates for, and which we offer at Lehakoe our undying support to the government of the Kingdom of Lesotho to support its initiatives geared in that direction. Class of 2023, you have successfully studied at an unconventional university that produces job creators, not job seekers. As is a norm in our program structuring, a deliberate effort has been made to ensure that all of you across all faculties study entrepreneurship as a course, and for some of you at advanced levels. You have therefore attained skills and knowledge to allow you to go out there to swim with the very big of the fish. Do note, do see the emerging entrepreneurs' success challenges. But please, I implore you, avoid this usual armchair approach where these challenges are seen as an easy excuse to entrepreneurs' success. You have been trained to think out of the box, to break barriers, to challenge the non-norms. Go do the same and you will succeed. Your Majesty, the Honorable Minister of Education and Training, education does not meet purpose if it does not bring transformation. In furtherance of the transformation that Lehakoe has brought, not only to the mindset in Lesotho, but to the higher education landscape. One other key transformation we will be celebrating today is magnifying the importance of skills and skill-based education in higher education, formal or mainstream. At Lehakoe, we assert that there is a long overdue where skill-based programs, technical and vocational education, are seen as for the inferior or having no place at university level. The importance of skills development and skills-based programs and offered at higher education cannot be overemphasized in the modern day education system. It is for this reason that Lehakoe has again broken barriers, Your Majesties, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and introduced an accredited one-year TVET certificate program and with proven pathway into our mainstream diploma programs. This way, Lehakoe is creating more skills access into our already skills-oriented mainstream curriculum. It is a result of this needed transformation that today we witness for the first time our first graduating cohort of our one-year TVET certificate programs. Congratulations to them. Program directors, allow me at this juncture to congratulate the graduating class of 2023 for their resilient and impeccable effort through the duration of their studies, as well as to wish them well in earnest. Program Director, I wish to pay particular homage and a vote of thanks to the parents and the guardians of these children. Bommele bontate ha ine isika lona bana bana ka be ba le siyo bana bana ka be ba sa dula mona mo ba leng teng tsatsing le ba bang ba lona ba ile ba tlameha ho rekisa makgomo dikofolo le mehoma ya lona hore bana bana e be ba tseba ho tla sekolong. Hobane, Honorable Minister, which is a gesture of our utmost appreciation to the government of the Kingdom of Lesotho. The National Manpower Development Secretariat sponsorship schemes should rightfully be seen as social security schemes. If they are seen as such, it means these over 1,000 students are social security cases, which in the absence of that financial assistance from government, their parents and guardians would not have been able to bring all of them to these levels. For that, we are very grateful to the government of the Kingdom of Lesotho. Our heartfelt gratitude further goes to you, my colleagues and staff members of Lehakoe University, as well as in partnership with our industry partners, because it is you that have molded what is it that we see today. For that, we'll remain forever grateful, and they have said it themselves, they are grateful. Class of 2023, thank you for having chosen to study with us. Welcome to the growing family of Lehakoe alumni, and please enjoy and be a productive part of alumnus. Congratulations once again, and I thank you.
Thank you, Ntate Machidi.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at all our graduations, the Lehakoe Choir sings this song as a loving tribute to parents and guardians for the sacrifices, dedication, and hard work they put in to see their children's achievements thus far. May I now invite the choir, led by Mr. Bokam Munyamane, Mr. Mwabiroto, Mr. Sekekane Makamani, and Mr. Dingane Ramalaka on stage.
You raise me stand on mountains, study seas. I am more than I can be. You raise me stand on mountains, study seas.
Thank you, Lehakoe Choir.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite the Lehakoe Senior Vice President, Dato Gail Pang, to say a few words to the graduating class of 2023.
His Majesty King Leslie III and Her Majesty the Queen, the Right Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Speaker of the National Assembly, Honourable Minister of Education and Training, may I ask for all protocol observed. Distinguished guests, parents, graduates, and colleagues in the Lehakoe family. On behalf of the senior management of Lehakoe Worldwide in Malaysia, let me begin by extending our warmest regards and heartiest congratulations to everyone present. Graduation is a significant step in your education, and the entire Lehakoe community wishes you the very, very best on this very important occasion. 2023 also marks a very important milestone for Lehakoe, Lesotho, as it is our 15th anniversary in this lovely kingdom in the sky. Class of 2023, despite having gone through your studies during the COVID pandemic time, I'm pleased to know that all of you have not only just met all the challenges, but have also managed to navigate through the difficult times and have now graduated with flying colors today. Therefore, please give yourself a round of applause. Today, you graduate with bachelor degree, associate degree, diploma, and certificates. Today, we celebrate your accomplishment and wish you the very best as you continue your journey to reach greater heights in your next phase of your journey to the industry. Class of 2023, the partnership between Lehakoe University of Creative Technology and the government of Lesotho has not only increased access to tertiary education, but has also introduced a range of unique learning programs that has developed a diversity of new industries in the country. Therefore, please accept our deepest appreciation to the government of Lesotho. Class of 2023, you have given us and your parents and guardians much to be proud of. They have sacrificed and invested a lot in your education. And without their support and commitment, you will not be here today. Therefore, They are the true heroes. May I request all graduates to stand up and say thank you to your parents and your sponsors and your family for having you, supported you to this day. I think you should say, I love you too, all right? Thank you. You may be seated. Class of 2023, this year's theme is Creativity Without Limits. What it means is, be open-minded to the new, exciting chapter in front of you. Be creative in your thinking. Be ready to learn about the digital world and artificial intelligence that is coming on very strongly. Learn how you can contribute to the development of your country and the communities you live in. May the journey you have started with us take you to your next exciting chapter in your life journey. Once more, congratulations to you, your families, and all your loved ones here with you today. Class of 2023, you are no ordinary graduates. You are Lehakoe graduates. You are the best, right? And do remember the words of our beloved founder president, the late Dato' Sri Baduka, Dr. Lehakoe. Go and make the impossible possible. On that note, we bid you a fond farewell, and thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Gay.
Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the Minister of Education and Training and the Senior Vice President of Lehakoe University are to present the President's Awards for Academic Excellence. These awards are given to students who have performed exceedingly well in their respective faculties. The recipients for the President's Award for Academic Excellence are Rethabile Jorodan, sponsored by Bacha Rebacha, Nedbank and Standard Lesotho Bank. Sabinete Mujakisani, sponsored by Dipoor Events and Deco. Tanyani Kladi, sponsored by FNB and Lesotho Housing. Ntabiseng Mwilwa, sponsored by Econet. Lindiwe Nshapo, sponsored by FNB. And Robert Malinsky, sponsored by Econet. Congratulations, graduates.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now recognize the following students who have exceptionally honed their creative and innovative skills during the course of their studies, and we recognize them with the President's Award for Creativity and Innovation. May I kindly invite the Minister of Education and Training, accompanied by the Vice President, to present the awards. The recipients for the President's Award for Creativity and Innovation are Mamanka Mama, sponsored by Bokamoso Property and Consultancy and IS Interiors. Mama Tlinsini, sponsored by Nedbank. Tshepiso Motlou, sponsored by FNB. Sokolo Benedict Musula, sponsored by FNB. Tshepiso Malunga, sponsored by Bokamoso Property and Consultancy and Sentinel. And Mamokwatsi Anna Motsepa, sponsored by Motlakapese Guest House. Congratulations, graduates.
In this set of awards, we recognize graduates for Industry Awards for Entrepreneurship, Leadership, and Excellence Awards. These awards are given to students who have performed well and displayed utmost professionalism. These students have produced works that challenged industry standards. The recipients of these Industry Awards for Entrepreneurship are Mamohale Sillo, sponsored by Tselatons and LNDC. Botata Tsele, sponsored by FNB. Lehakoe Wesley Hlehlisi, sponsored by Bokamoso Property Consultancy and the First National Bank. Sechaba Khatatsi, sponsored by Econet. Retepile Raymond Shao, sponsored by CBS and FNB. Sekhosana Pascalis Tejani, sponsored by Stanlib, Central Bank, LNDC, and Standard Lesotho Bank.
The recipients of the Leadership Awards are Tlalefo Abraham Moremoholo, sponsored by N&M Cleaning Services. Mokete Francis Teisa, sponsored by Sources Supplies and Entertainment. Tankiso Sibela, sponsored by Econet. Dintle Tomi, Ntalaka Lefoka. Ntalaka Lefoka, sponsored by Kanana City Project and Morris Interior Architects. Maleshwane Kachona, sponsored by Post Bank. Mpobola, Dimpo Rantlatse, sponsored by Mohale Media. Motlalepula Totse, sponsored by FNB. Dintle Mokoena, sponsored by Kanana City Project. Congratulations to all the recipients.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now recognize students who have shown exceptional talents in extramural activities in the institution. The recipients for the University Colors Awards are Mofelehetse Mwesa, sponsored by Smartel Money. Ditebogo Matola, sponsored by Econet. Onuswa Mohali, sponsored by Mahlakapese Guest House. Moratua Diboti, Temba Mbele. Temba Mbele. Toussaint Maime. Tuba Letipa, sponsored by LH Finance. Moro Sikhiba, sponsored by Salvation Transport. Boshokwa Ntuna Murahanye, sponsored by Post Bank. Papadi Machachamisa. Nchabiseng Mahatanya, sponsored by Kanana City Project. Mafupara Mahlatswan. Kananelo Tlapana. Senata Musauleng, sponsored by Morris Interior Architects. Ndlandla Benjamin Mofolo, sponsored by N&M Cleaning Services. Modiehi Tachisi. Relebohile Mpotla. Moabi Roto, sponsored by FNB. Sekekani Michael Makamani, sponsored by Post Bank. Retepile Esther Letlatsa, sponsored by N&M Cleaning Services. And Tabiso Ranamani. Congratulations to the recipients.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, the Lehakoe Choir would like to present the university's theme song. Please do sing along. The lyrics are found at the back page of the graduation booklet. Please welcome the choir in a rendition of Wings to Fly. Thank you, choir. Thank you. Dearest class of 2023, Ms. Matebo Morosi, Lehakoe University Registrar, will now deliver the charge to the graduating class of 2023. We invite all graduates to be upstanding to receive the university charge.
Class of 2023, graduates of Lehakoe University of Creative Technology. By the power vested in me by the Council and Senate of this university, I charge upon you the responsibility to uphold and safeguard the good name and reputation of this university in all circumstances. You must, and at all times, act in a manner that brings honor and respect upon yourself and the communities within which you live. You must act as law-abiding citizens of your countries. You must serve as exemplary members of your communities through hard work and diligence. You must contribute to the well-being of your societies. You must strive to be role models for those under your charge. You must perform to your best and use your skills and knowledge for the betterment of humanity. Class of 2023, bear this in mind and be honest in all your undertakings henceforth. I charge you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor. You may be seated.
Class of 2023, we have come to the end of the ceremony. Yeah. On behalf of the University Council and the faculty, we wish to express our warmest gratitude to Her Majesty Queen Masnate Mohato Seiso, the Minister of Education and Training, Professor Ndoi Irababa, the stage party for joining us today, our distinguished guests and members of the industry. Thank you for joining us in this celebration. On behalf of everyone at Lehakoe University, class of 2023, we wish you well and hope you will always keep in touch. You have made your parents and guardians very proud. Continue to do so. We shall now rise for the singing of the African Union and the national anthem of Lesotho.
Let us all unite and celebrate together the victories won for our liberation. Let us dedicate ourselves to rise together
Please remain standing as the stage party leaves the hall. Graduates, you are all invited on stage to take pictures with Lehakoe University senior management.
Yeah. Please be seated. Please be seated. You got something you can leave?
I can wait on stage.
DJ Mr. West can bless us.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wake up, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. Fresh, Mr. By himself, he's so impressed. I mean, damn, did you even see the test? You got D's, motherfucker D's, Rosie Perez, and yes, barely passed any and every class, looking at every ass, cheated on every test. I guess this is my dissertation, homie, this shit is basic. Welcome to graduation. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. On this day we become legendary. Everything we dreamed of. I'm like the fly Malcolm X, by any jeans necessary. Detroit red cleaned up. From the streets to the league, from an eighth to a key. But you graduate when you make it up out of the streets. From the moments of pain, look how far we done came. Haters saying you changed, now you doing your thing. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, and look at the valedictorian, scared of the future while I hop in
in a DeLorean, scared to face the world, complacent career student. Some people graduate, but we still stupid. They tell you read this, eat this, don't look around, just peep this. Preach us, teach us, Jesus. Okay, look up now, they done stole your streetness. After all of that, you receive this. Good morning.
Hustlers, that's if you're still living, get on down.
Every time that we hear them, good morning.
Hustlers, that's if you're still living, get on down.
Every time that we hear them, good morning.
Hustlers, that's if you're still living, get on down.
Every time that we hear them, good morning.
Hustlers, that's if you're still living, get on down. Get on down. Get on down. Get on down. Get on down.
One, two, mic. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Re tlo tla re etsa group photo, so ke kopa hore re fetele ka mona and then try by all means hore re fetele mona kaofela re tsebe ho fumana group photo kaofela. Okay? Re etse hantle fela jwale ka semati jwale ka se re graduating. Photographers, please, let's be on standby. Re tsebe ho nka batho bana. Motho e mong le mo dumelletswe nka photo, se ka tshira ba bang. Ha o nka di photos ka tshira ba bang, bontate, let's get ready.